Hey you guys, I actually wanted to come into this video and literally show you my raw self. Like what it really looks like when I get up in the morning, no makeup, no anything, and my hair is really frizzy to me. Actually, my hair does not look that bad. This right here is a little like frizzy, and like the back is a little frizzy too, but it's not looking too bad. And I just wanted to come on here and show you guys just a quick little mini how I refresh my curls. However, today is wash day for me, but I will not wash it until later on during the day. So I don't want to use up a lot of product because I'm going to end up washing it out tonight. So this is just what I do before my wash day. And it's been about 4 days. So like I said, this doesn't look bad. So stay and watch. I wet my hair just a little bit, just on the outside, just to kind of calm some of these frizzies down. And I only use 2 products. The 2 products that I use for this, Deva Curl Styling Cream, and I also use the It's a 10 Miracle Oil plus Keratin. This is what I do. This is super easy. A pump or 2. Get this, and I do about 2 pumps. So I just put 2 pumps of each one in my hand, and I mix that up with my finger. Just mix it up. Now this is going to style your hair, and the oil is going to make it shiny. So that's what I do, and I just go over the top, very soft. Get some more. Just go over the top like this. This right here is a little dry, so I'll spray it just a little bit. Scrunch it. Just run my fingers through like this. And I do want to get the back. Scrunch it up just a little bit. So there's some frizzies here, but that's easy because all you gotta do is twist it up with your finger. That's a little half curl. But like I said, this is just to get me out the door so I don't look so bad before my wash day later on, okay? So that's it. This will dry up and it makes it look so shiny. The oil, the It's a 10 oil makes it look so shiny. And then the styling cream just lets your frizzies stay down instead of being all over the place. And I mean, this doesn't look bad at all. Like, I'm ready to go as soon as I have my makeup on. Like, it's good. So hope this helps you. I'm sorry about this really bad lighting in this house or in this bathroom, but I actually just moved to South Carolina from Mississippi because my husband's in the military, and for some reason one of the bathrooms has no light. It's literally these little thingies right here, and that light is horrible. But the other bathroom, I don't have none of my stuff in there yet, so sorry. Bye. And this is just a video of what it looks like when I went outside, and it had dried a little bit, so not too bad.